to swap this over. 6mm. Okay. Got to disconnect the electrics. Oh, gone all deaf in one ear. That's a new one in place. Just got to tighten that up and wire it in. So, I need to cut that bit out because that's where the cables run behind the unit. Take it back off. We've got to cut the bottom as well because the pipe along here. Need to cut the bottom of that as well. As you can see, you can do it. So as you can see, let's cut out. Now let's cut out as well. It's a shower screen. Hope you're watching, Callum, because you're doing the rest. Every electric shower we do now, you're going to do them all. Yeah?
Yep, I don't mind.
Thanks.
Read it.
Just want to make sure that's... I don't know why they ever set these properly. It's really annoying. Got the screws there. Keep it rolling, rolling.
Going alright, my arm's getting tired.
Oh, shut up. You should be doing this.
Do you want help? You're not tall enough, are you?
No, I'm a bit short. How funny, Callum. We'll thinking about someone who couldn't get it in the hole.
Unnecessary joke.
So crap, these ones.
Na-na-na-na. I'll do it.
You ain't got much stamina, have you?
You put that thing on?
What?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, you put that thing on and you got to put the hose through.
Yeah. You just undo the hose, didn't you? It's not my first rope. Never know which one these go on.